space between wings. The formation climbed vertically 2,000 meters up and now inverted, diving back. Extraordinary control. Every move here multiplies risk, conquered by courage, strategy, and the one guides the formation in a large radius row in the air. The actions of the 6 aircraft are coordinated and consistent, showcasing their unique technique and standing. Formation role is a classic Stay focused on your life. The bait number 5 climb inverted. Nice is up the circle. By number 6, knife edge pass. Minimum line defensive line with -2 meter front and right guard and less than 2 meter height differences. Close enough to touch tails. Degree nose high, maximum lift, minimum speed, total mastery of aerodynamics. The August 1st aerobatic team bring white and blue trucks, especially for Singapore Air Show 2026. Explore some of the technology and trust will take your breath away.